In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture into a document in Microsoft Word. Whether you're creating a detailed report, crafting a beautiful presentation, or simply adding a bit of visual flair to your document, knowing how to insert an image is an essential skill. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Word document. Once you've got your document open, look through it and decide exactly where you want that image to appear. Carefully place your cursor at that spot. This ensures that when you insert the image, it will be exactly where you think it should be. Next, take a look at the top of your Word document interface. There's a menu that we call the ribbon. You'll want to find the Insert tab on this ribbon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a range of options designed to help you add various elements to your document, like tables, charts, or in our case, pictures. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for an option simply labeled Pictures. When you click on this, you'll see that there are a couple of choices available to you. The first option is This Device, which allows you to insert an image that's stored on your computer. This is perfect for photos or images that you've personally saved to your device. The other option is Online Pictures. This one is fantastic if you want to search the web for the perfect image, or if you want to browse a stock image library that is accessible directly through Word. After you've chosen where to source your image from, go ahead and navigate to the specific picture you want. Once you've found it, click on the image to select it, and then hit that Insert button. Watch as your chosen picture magically appears in your document. Once your image is in place, you might find that it's not quite the right size, or that you want to adjust how it interacts with the surrounding text. Don't worry, resizing is straightforward. Simply click on the image to select it, and then move your mouse to one of the corner handles that appear. Click and drag a corner handle to resize your image proportionally. This helps maintain its aspect ratio so it doesn't end up looking stretched or squashed. Now, if you want your text to wrap nicely around the image, there's a handy feature for that. Click on the image again to select it, then look for the Picture Format tab, or just Format, that will appear on the ribbon. From here, find Wrap Text. You'll be presented with a few options like Square, Tight, or even In Front of Text. Choose the wrapping style that best suits the layout and appearance you're aiming for. And there you have it. You've now mastered how to insert a picture into a Word document with style and sophistication. Feel free to experiment with different picture positions and text wrap settings to find what looks best for your specific document. Happy editing!